Have you ever thought that humans were originally intended to be plant eaters? Now, this is just an observation. When you read Genesis carefully, we see three phases of the initial world: the world post creation, the world post the fall of man, and then the world post flood. And what humans are allowed to eat changes across these phases. Now, right after the finished work of creation, Genesis 1:29, God said, "See, I have given you every herb that yields seed, which is on the face of all the earth, and every tree whose fruit yields seed, to you it shall be for food." Not just humans, in the next verse, he goes on to give plants as food for animals and birds as well. Now, right before the fall, as God is forbidding the tree of knowledge, chapter 2, verse 16 and 17, God commands, "Of every tree of the garden you may freely eat, but not from the tree of knowledge." And post fall, now it is time to declare the punishment. Chapter 3, verse 18 and 19, "You shall eat the herb of the field, in the sweat of your face you shall eat bread till you return to the ground." So, at least in three places, we see what is given to man as food, and it is all plant-based. Now, meat is not restricted anywhere, but it is not mentioned either. Now, post-flood, in chapter 9, we see the whole dynamics between humans and animals changing. God said to Noah and his sons that the fear of you, that is humans, will be upon every beast of the earth, birds of the air, fish of the sea, and all that move on the earth. They are given into your hand. Every moving thing that lives shall be food for you. I have given you all things, even as the green herbs. Just as he gave the green herbs initially, now he is giving all the animals to humans for food. So the pattern is interesting. Plants are given initially, and meat is permitted only after the flood. But did humans hunt down and eat animals before God permitted it? We do not know. It is not written. But is it likely? Maybe. Because man has already fallen, sin has entered. He could have been tempted when he keeps the meat as sacrifice, but we can't say for sure. There are so many other arguments in this area. But if we take these verses just as they are given, I think humans were originally intended and designed by God to be vegetarians, but something along the line changed, and then God is declaring meat also as food for man. What do you think? Follow along for more such interesting tidbits in the future, and I'll see you in the next one.